Hello my wonderful kings and queens, welcome back again to my channel. It's me again, Lady G. If today na your first time when you come across this my channel and you never subscribe, I beg make you don't forget to subscribe. If you don't watch this video finish, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, because now that one go dey bring message come your phone say I don't upload new video. If you subscribe and you no click am, anytime when I put new video, you know go dey get message, you know go dey know. With that one you go dey miss my gist. Yes, so the matter when I bring come for now today, the gist when I bring come for now today, now about MC Galaxy. I believe say most of us go don't hear that name and we know am. MC Galaxy. He rename na Innocent Udeme. I say what? Innocent? This kind man for all this katakata and this yaka when they do say na innocent man. How? Because that name, you know, rhyme. If you see the thing when they happen these days, when that man they do, and when they take our youth and some of our girls and boys they do for live video, I'm not sure say that name he rhyme at all. Well, I believe say maybe that name my papa and my mama give at that time when we say he dey innocent. But as I now as I dey talk so, he not dey innocent for me again. At the gist now I want give you now so. So how this MC Galaxy take come out when come be say many people come dey hear of him, especially in a person when they write song and in a person when they sing at the same time. But now he be like say focus well for this live video of a thing when they do. And as in them take come out when come be like say many people come they hear of him well. Now around 2012 when he win dance competition for Davido dance competition, he come win. With that one he name come be like say people come they hear of him well again. So recently now he get some things when they do live video for Instagram, especially when we say our girls and our boys will bring them come out, they'll come take and they do some kind of film for their hair. Person like Etinosa, we know say inside last 13 rain, how they can do some kind of film. I don't want to talk about what I use and maybe say people will call them man, woman, boys, girls, they'll come on their clothes finish like person one bath, like person maybe say it they craze. They'll come they do some kind of funny things. They shake their head, they shake their leg, they shake their yansh, anything shakeable, they go they shake them. So some of our celebrities, people like Toyin Abraham, they can't come after him. Even Rest Nosa and different other celebrities come attack him. But especially this Toyin Abraham, come attack and say he dey disappointed. Say this your platform and this thing when you they do, say this level when you get for life, there's this opportunity when you get as a celebrity. Say you're supposed to be role model to our young generation. Instead, now to destroy them, because the things when you they do, you know they encourage them when you they tell them say make they continue like this. See, now this one might be the easiest way for life. Now this one person will fit make and say, you know, expect them from you. Because if you see him, it gets video when I look, I think for his side last week, he can't do some kind of video when he say one girl just come out now, so the girl open different things, they do some kind of things, they touch himself, they do different. Even the boys when they inside now, so that they come, they carry their cassava, come out live and direct. They go, they do all these things raw. So the thing don't go down well with many people because there's something is so disappointing. Toyin Abraham express herself to Ram. Others self they see express themselves to Ram. But me myself, I did disappointed because that place when they call Instagram, now public place. Instagram be like Facebook, it be like WhatsApp, be like anything. If anybody feel go there anytime. Even sometimes your pikin if even they use your phone, they play, it will go there. If this man, this Mr. MC Galaxy say, now this kind of thing, I be the thing when they get fun. That is not the thing when they like. Now this one they get pleasure from. I don't see anything wrong when they say, you know, go open another site because they get special site where they do all these things. If you know not that one you want just they do, go not that one how you they do live. Then they put people when want go there, they get their password. Anybody when go there, you know now he find himself go there by himself. Now waiting the person won't do. But not be say go put this thing for where everybody they do go. Carry these young girls, carry these young boys come out. When be say sometimes if no be anything like that, they your mind, you just go there to just feed your eyes or to just look for information. Unexpectedly, you will see all these things live and direct. It's too bad. Because Toyin Abraham talk him, and I agree with 100% because these people, when they do all these things, this one are people when be say they will feel be like, that is, in future, there will be person in mama tomorrow, there will be person in wife. So which story they will come tell their children later say, because anything for this life, what goes around comes around. And so I miss so people now so that they talk. You doing all these things to these people, waiting they go gain for inside later. wetin be the repercussion, wetin be the thing wey go come out for inside later. Because when we see this kind of thing when him do am with Etinosa last year, many people dey react say take advantage of Etinosa and this thing, say Etinosa say he drink somehow and he no come know wetin dey do again. All this one when they do am with Anna, they don't drink. You won't tell me say they drink, they don't drink. Because why? Because in the MC Galaxy, he get the way until they entice them. Get wetin how it they lure them, how it they entice them when we say they go fall like that. Because I can't they look the whole things something the way I can't they look. I can't like say the MC Galaxy himself, now Ekwensu himself, now he be Ekwensu, or it will be agent of Ekwensu. Maybe they work follow them. Because if Ekwensu won't bless you or won't give you something, he go first give you the one when be say he go take attract you, take draw you near body. Then from there, he go hammer you. That's why they look this MC Galaxy. Because when you go give them that thing, and he go make sure say at the time when be say you there for situation when be say when he give you that offer, you know will feel rejected. Because especially this lockdown we dey now, we know say many people need money, many people need anything. The other day one woman come and when they talk say he ready to give the thing to any man, mother of how many children, just because of 5,000. Because of situation. So now, so I believe say these young girls and some of all these boys when be say that they do all this thing for in live video, that they do this thing live, when they open their akwekus, they twerk, they shake the thing, they shake head, anything shakeable when they their body, they go, they shake all of them. Just because you won't give them 30,000, you won't give them 50,000, you won't give them 20,000. When be say that country, when we know that Nigeria, we know say that thing, that money, you know, go even last for 1 week. We know as things hard for that country. You know, get where go even carry them rich. So why doing this thing to these people? Just to, I don't want to scatter their image, because these things, it must come. There is nothing for this. It must come up in future. It must come. As I said, the people they know they are alive again. It must come in future. The whole repercussion will show later. So I don't know why this man get pleasure in doing all these things. Because when me I see him, I really they say I see all these people now them be celebrities when they Nigeria. These now people when supposed to be role model to people. See the way it can be, they give people the message, say now this one be the best way. When we say our youth when they for that Nigeria, they most of them they don't feel dabaro before. Yao they one corner, another one they one corner. Name it. Then the France will fit turn them back to normal people, to normal youth. Then you now is supposed to be role model now for you to they scatter them, they turn them worse than what they felt even be before. So me, my people, I don't understand though. So I don't say not be everybody go agree the thing when I talk. Some people still dey, because no matter how something bad reach for this life, you must still see people when they go still support them. So my people, now this one be the story when I bring coffee now today. Now hear the gist in end. So anything when you get when you want add to them, or any answer when you want answer, or anything you want add to them, I bet just leave your comments below at the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe if you never subscribe to this my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so that you will get more updates anytime when I upload new video. And for those of you who don't already subscribe to this my channel, I appreciate you now, thank you now, bless you now, God will bless you now, start to support me now, so now self will still get una support. So my people, now here I will round up this video today, and I hope to see you now soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.